guys, we're at Smart Tunes today, and this, the vending machine version 4. This is kind of like a dispenser, but this one dispensed something pretty cool. And I'm gonna show you something. So, got this is a chest, and so you can't shoot anything out, which is kind of cool. It says pull the lever. So guys, let's pull the lever. 3, 2, 1. Bang! There we go. We just got a fidget spinner that is so nice. It's kind of wobbly because it was like this when I got it, so yeah. Show you guys how to reload this thing. You just take the cap off, but it has to like be sticking out of here. It has to be something stuck over there. So yeah, like this. It has to be stuck. Just make it from this and this. Just the surroundings, so it works. Load this. You can't shake it out. The only way is because when this gets pulled, it drops down. See? And it's making it in that position because there's walls over here surrounding it. So it has to be in the perfect position. I used it using this. Can't wall that if you can. Pause the video if you can. Or just the size of that. Yeah, load. Put this on it. Then yeah. Sorry guys, kind of. Okay. Oh, I got those dimples. And yeah, so that's how you do it. If you want me to make one that can fit high shoes, I could do that. I don't know. It would be kind of hard. Maybe I could do this. High shoe. If you want to give this video 2 likes, two likes, then I will make a baby machine number 3 that will dispense green. See you guys in the next video. Bye!